Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
As Ajamil thus passed his span of life being attached to his son, his time of death arrived. At that time he began to think of his son without any other thought.
Sa evang vartamano agya mritukale upasthite matin chakaratanai bali narayana havai. So, Vartamana, everyone is situated under certain condition. This is material life. I am situated under certain consciousness, you are situated in certain consciousness. Everyone, according to the modes of nature, we have got different conception of life and different consciousness. That is called material life. All of us, we are sitting here, every one of us has got a different consciousness. Generally, it is meant for sense gratification. Material life means everyone is planning, I shall live like this, I shall acquire money like this, I shall enjoy like this. Everyone has got a program. So, Ajamil also had a program. What was his program? His program was that he is very much attached to his youngest child, and whole attention is there, how the child is moving, how the child is eating, how the child is talking, and sometimes he was calling, he was feeding. So his whole mind was absorbed with the activities of the child. In the previous verse we have already discussed. Bunyanam prabhuvan khadan balakam snehajantuja bhujayan payan mudha na vida agatam antakam. Not only Ajamil, everyone. They are absorbed in certain type of consciousness. And what is due to it, how the consciousness develops. It is said, sneha jantuta. Sneha means affection. Affected by the machine, which is called affection. So everyone is affected by this machine. This machine, this body is machine, and it is being worked by the nature. And direction is coming from the Supreme Lord. We wanted to enjoy a certain way, and Krishna has given us a certain type of body, jantra. Just like you have got different makes of motor car. Somebody wants, I want big car, somebody says, I want Chevrolet, Ford. They are ready. Similarly, our body is also like that. Somebody is Ford, somebody is Chevrolet, somebody is big. And Krishna has given us the chance. He wanted this kind of car or body, you sit down and enjoy. This is our material position. Ishvara sarvabhutanam riddeshe arjuna tishtati. We forget. After changing the body, we forget what I desire and why I've got this kind of body. But Krishna is situated within your heart. He does not forget. He gives you. Jejathavang prapaddante. You wanted this kind of body, you get it. Krishna is so kind. If somebody wanted a body so that he can eat everything, so Krishna gives him the body of a pig, so it can eat even stool. And if somebody wanted a body that I shall dance with Krishna, then he gets that body. Now it is up to you to decide whether you are going to get a body which will be able to dance with Krishna, to talk with Krishna, to play with Krishna. You can get it. And if you want a body, how to eat stool, urine, you'll get it.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.